ang pagluloko ng lalaki, ang pagkuha ng other women, pag nagawa nila nitong minsan, there will be a second chance, there will be a third chance, fourth chance, hanggang sa patawad na lang ng patawad ang first wife, hindi niya alam, nabadbad na rin siya, para bang, ay hindi na niya alam yung word na kapatawaran because it becomes a second skin to her na yung asawa niya ay ganun. The wife have nothing to be insecure of because kayo ang legal wife, everything belongs to you. The dilemma is, if anything happens to your husband, the dilemma of the mistress is, anything that she gets, everything that was given to her, ay pwedeng bawiin ng legal wife. Napakahirap. Dapat ang maging second wife, third wife, should also be wise, should also learn how to invest the money that's being given to her na in the end ay hindi rin makukuha sa kanya. But hindi ko din naman ma-blame yung mga mistresses dahil ibang ligaya din naman yung binibigay nila. Hindi na nabibigay ng totoong asawa, as I've said, because there's such thing as sawa factor. Dumadating yung buo na yung pamilya, malalaki na mga anak, napagod na si tatay, nagsawa na, naganap na ng challenge. Like kung sinasabi sa mga legal wife, when you come across this stage, na dumating na kayo sa puntos na hindi nyo na mapigilan yung asawa nyo, stop competing. The more nyo inaaway ang asawa nyo regarding about having a second family, you are not doing anything good to the first family. It is just that you are throwing him more to go to the second wife. Ang masasabi ko lang naman sa mga second wife is, enjoy it while it lasts. Because, tatandaan nyo, pag may number 2, dadating din ang number 3, dadating ang number 4. Kung nagsawa siya sa first wife, dadating yung point, magsasawa din sa second at sa third.